In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a photo background in Canva. Now, this is going to work really well with photos that have solid backgrounds, right? But that's not always going to be the case. As you can see here in this photo, there's no solid background. So I want to show you how powerful this thing is by using this background, which is very complicated to remove using AI or tools like that. So let's go ahead and get started here. You want to make sure that the photo is selected that you're trying to remove the background from. And you want to go ahead and go to edit photo on the toolbar here on the top. And as you can see here, this is going to be on background remover, the first option here. So click on that. Now this might take a while. This might take a little bit, just depending on on how complicated your background is. As you can see for this one, it took out some of the things that are on this photo. This is because this background is really hard to remove. You can see that on the background there is a black wall here, as well as a black cup that's on top of it. That's why you saw this part of the background removed. As you can see here, the cup was removed from here. Now if you go back here, you can see that my hand here, it's kind of like blurry here by the time when you get to the bottom of this photo. Let me go ahead and pick something else here. When I go over to my uploads here, and I'm gonna pick something like this over here. Maybe this one will be a lot easier. So I'm gonna go back, select my photo, go to edit photo. I'm gonna click background remover, right? As you can see, this is taking some time here to kind of like work on this background. This might be a lot easier for Canva to remove. As you can see here, this one did it perfectly. Actually, didn't cut into anything here. Now this is a prime example of backgrounds that work. So the more solid your background is, the better this is gonna work. Now if you do have a background that has a lot of things going on, it's gonna work, but it's not always gonna be perfect. Okay, so go ahead and give it a try and see what happens. Now thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.